He's looking straight at me. Oh, I've got one. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Oh. Yep, he's right. He's down. I don't have any bread, I'm sorry. I wish I did.
Yeah.
You can have a cuddle.
Hello.
Good shot.
You have a collar on it, that one. And then all of a sudden it disappeared there a while back.
Perfect.
Yep, good. Nice.
Hello. I'm still recording. I brought the rifle. Had a bit of a look.
Her.
Hey?
You want to record her?
Hello, you. Hello. Can't believe how tame they are. She's had kids.
Yeah, she's got twins somewhere, that one.
Still got plenty of milk. Some more up there. I saw a brown one like the last one I shot with my arrow run up through there too.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah.
There is another white billy, same as this one. I saw him, but all the others are mine. There's 23 in my little lot.
Okay.
Well, last count there was 23 anyway.
So yeah, whenever I see a different billy, yeah, I just get them.
Always that distinctive smell with them, isn't it?
Oh, he's probably the worst one I've ever seen. All his front legs are bloody pissed on, isn't he?
Mm.
He's the worst I've ever seen. There's a little creamy coloured one. He's got no nuts. I think that's him straight through there, that creamy one standing on the rock. He's got no nuts, yeah. Someone's caught him and cut him and let him go again.
Beautiful country. Bring them up. Mate. Look at this beautiful country. Look at that.
Yeah, lovely view from here. You never see any goats over there in the
No.
rivers. And I think someone told me that where there's sheep, you won't get goats.
Yeah.
Don't know why, and they have sheep.
Ah.
Yeah. So I've walked all along that fence, that their place finishes where the trees start, I think. And I've never ever seen any goats there.
Shot placement. Perfect. Perfect heart lung shot. I like that.
Still filming?
Yeah, I'm still filming. I'll stop filming now.
Gave Matt's little dog a